Introducing the 2025 Ford Kuga St-line 5D 2.5hev225 S6.2P CT in stunning blue. This sleek MPV boasts a powerful 2.5 litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine, automatic transmission, and a plethora of comfort and accessories features like satellite navigation, cruise control, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy stylish touches like roof rails and privacy glass. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional ride. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.